Hi guys. Since last time we took solving simultaneous equations algebraically by elimination method, today we are going to take solving system equations simultaneously by graphing, which is going to be much easier than algebraically, and we will see how. How to solve a system by graphing? First step, graph both equations. When I have an equation, I have to draw it on the graph as a straight line. And the second step is find the point of intersection. And that's it. And that's how you're going to solve it. Let's see an example. For example, I have two lines, okay? The point where the lines intersect is your solution. So if he didn't give you that, if the question came like this, two lines intersecting at a point, so the simultaneous equation, the solution of the simultaneous equations is x equal 1 and y equals 2. So that's your solution. But if he gave me an equation called x plus y equals 2 and another equation called x equals y, I'm going to draw the first equation x plus y equals 2 as we know how to draw a straight line graph by the table. I'm going to put x equals 1, it will be 2. When x equals 0, it will be 2. When x equals 1, it will be when x is equals 1, it will be 1, and when x is equals 5, it will be -3. And then I will plot the coordinates as we see here to draw the first line, which is x plus y equals 2, and the second line is x equal y, which means if x is equals 0, y will be 0. If x is equals 1, y will be 1. If x equals 5, y will be 5. And I will plot the coordinates to draw the line. After I draw the lines, they intersect at a point. This point of intersection is my solution. So the answer is x equals 1 and y equals 1. Okay, in this graph, I have two lines and he gave me the point of intersection, which is 3 and 0. This is the solution of these two equations. If he gave me two equations, y equal 2 over 3x minus 2 and y equal -x plus 3, each line is drawn on a graph. The point of intersection is the solution of the simultaneous equations. Let's see this example. He gave me a graph and he drew for me x plus y equals 3. So I need to know 2x minus y equals 3. I need to draw it first. So I'm going to write the table first. I'm going to make y subjects. How am I going to make a y subject? As we learned from the previous lesson, how to make a subject. I will make y subject and then I will write the table. The table will be, as we know, if I have x be 0, y will be -3. If I have x 1, y will be -1. And if I have x be 2, y will be 1. After I plot the coordinates, I draw the line. The two lines intersect at a point. This point is my solution, which is 2 and 1. So x will be 2 and y will be 1. Solve a system by graphing. Graph both equations and find the intersection. So if the first line is drawn like this and the second line is drawn like this. The first step I did is drawing the lines. The second step I'm going to do is to find the point of intersection between the two lines. This is the solution. So the point of intersection is my answer, which is x equals 3 and y equals 4. Okay, if he gave me two equations like this and he didn't draw any lines, I'm going to draw them. I will substitute as I know. I will have a table like we know in a straight line graph to draw the first line and the second line. So first of all, I'm going to draw x plus y equals -2. So it will be drawn like this, and then 2x minus 3y equals -9. It will be drawn like this. My solution is the point of intersection, which is going to be -3 and 1. If you gave me another equation like this, I'm going to draw x plus y equals 4 first, and then I'm going to draw y equals -2x plus 5, and then find the point of intersection. I hope you understood this lesson, and good luck.